Today I am reviewing the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with performance. Powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13420H, this laptop delivers an impressive mix of speed and multitasking capability. With 8 cores and high boost frequencies, it handles modern games, video editing, and heavy workloads with ease. Paired with the NVIDIA RTX 4050 laptop GPU, this setup brings ray tracing and AI-powered DLSS 3 to your fingertips. Whether you're diving into realistic open worlds or streaming competitive shooters, the Acer Nitro V delivers fluid, immersive gameplay. And the AI-driven graphics performance? That's a game changer. With 194 AI TOPS, the RTX 4050 takes advantage of DLSS 3, generating frames for smoother performance and better visuals, even in the most graphically intense titles. You're not just playing the game, you're experiencing it like never before. Now let's talk display. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel is sharp, vibrant, and perfectly tuned for gaming. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, every motion on screen feels smooth and responsive. There's minimal input lag and ghosting, which is critical for fast-paced games like Apex Legends or Valorant. Combine that with a wide 16:9 aspect ratio and over 82% screen-to-body ratio, and you get an immersive viewing experience whether you're battling foes or binging your favorite shows. When it comes to connectivity, Acer goes all in. With Wi-Fi 6, Gigabit Ethernet, and the powerful Thunderbolt 4 port, you're always plugged into high-speed data, display output, and power charging. Whether you're at home or gaming on the go, this laptop keeps you ahead of the curve. And what about thermals? The dual-fan cooling system with a streamlined exhaust setup ensures your system runs cool under pressure. Even during extended gaming sessions, temperatures remain manageable, meaning no unexpected throttling or performance drops. Storage and memory are equally impressive for the price. You get 8 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB Gen 4 SSD, offering fast boot times, quick game loading, and seamless multitasking. The RAM is upgradable, which is perfect for future-proofing your setup if you plan to run more demanding software down the line. Another feature worth highlighting is Nitro Sense, Acer's onboard performance tuning software. With it, you can monitor your system's temperature, tweak fan speeds, and adjust performance profiles based on your needs. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing, Nitro Sense ensures you're always optimized. And finally, the design. The backlit keyboard adds that gaming flair we all love, while the build quality is sturdy yet sleek. The chassis stays relatively lightweight, making it easy to carry in a backpack without compromising cooling or durability. To sum it up, the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop offers an outstanding value for gamers and creators alike. From its powerful Intel Core i5 and RTX 4050 combo to its 144 Hz IPS display, efficient cooling, and Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, this machine punches far above its price point. Whether you're leveling up your gaming experience or need a powerful laptop for multitasking, streaming, or content creation, this Nitro V model is ready to perform.